Hey guys, it's Courtney with Your House Fitness. I'm here to go over what butt winking is, okay? So, I know that sounds like a really cute term, okay? But it actually, in the lifting community, is not a cute term, okay? Butt winking is basically when you're trying to do the best squat of all time, and you decide you want to go really, really low because that's what, coach told you to do, but you get on down here and then you're tucking your tailbone under. Now, this might not be so dangerous when I don't have much weight on my body. In fact, it's just a body weight squat. But if you do this with load on, can you imagine what your lumbar spine is going to do? It's just going to crumble, okay? So you don't want any tucking in the lumbar spine at the bottom of the squat, okay? You're going to get stuck or worse, okay? Herniation, all sorts of terrible things. So again, if somebody says that you butt wink, this isn't a cute term at the gym. It's a term where when you're squatting, you tuck your pelvis under you when you shouldn't be. A lot of times it means that you went too low for your flexibility. So that would be something that you would address outside of the squatting world, okay? So working on hip flexors, so doing things like, stretching your hip flexors out, doing a little bit of mobility work before you squat, okay? Addressing the tension there. Maybe you don't know how to brace, so take a look at one of the videos that we did about bracing. So maybe you just don't understand that and you lose the tension here at the very bottom of your squat, so you're tucking. And then of course the third part could be that maybe you're not engaging your glutes enough. So I would definitely encourage you before you squat, make sure that you're doing things like priming muscles. So do a whole mobility activation sequence. My favorite exercise to get my glutes going are glute bridges. So like barbell glute bridges, you don't go terribly heavy, but you make sure that those glutes are activated before you plan to do any squats or any more dangerous lifts, okay, or risky lifts that really require proper muscle activation and flexibility in the hips in order to get the depth that you're looking for, okay? So remember, butt winking, not a cute term at the gym. It means tucking the hips at the bottom, which is not a good thing. You don't want to be doing that. So you only get to go as deep as you can go with a neutral spine, okay? And if you're having a hard time with that, remember, stretch out the hips, activate the glutes, and make sure that you understand bracing, okay? Those are just 3 things to start with. You might need to do a few more, but yeah, don't be butt winking at the gym, all right? All right, until next time.